Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Our temperatures heated up today. We made it to 79 in Corpus Christi. That's above that average of 75. Starting on the cool side this morning with 53, and right now sitting at 74 degrees. That east breeze still blowing under 12 miles an hour. So we've got a pretty nice evening shaping up here. Just a few clouds out there, but still a lot of clear sky. And when the sun sets here, it's setting about 5:36 tonight. Once that sky gets dark enough, take a look toward the southwest. You'll see a very bright planet. The brightest one glow on the horizon is Venus. If you look just above it, you'll see another bright planet. That's Jupiter. Not quite as bright though. And then a much dimmer Saturn up to the left. These two are going to continue to get closer together in the evening sky this week, and by Friday very close together, low on the horizon. And a few things to note about Jupiter and Venus is you want to look early. You got to see these after the sun sets and it gets just dark enough, because they set early in the evening. So look just after 6 o'clock. They're low on the horizon. They're getting closer until they're in conjunction. They'll be right next to each other by the time we get into November 24th. So you'll see those tonight. They are bright and beautiful in the evening sky. Well, we are going to see some of those clouds increase later tonight and some more fog, but tonight the fog does not look as widespread and as dense. In fact, fog tracker showing the visibilities tonight stay mostly over a mile, although we could see a few pockets of dense fog, especially inland, possibly down to about a half a mile or so. But because we have a little more wind tonight, we aren't going to see as much of the dense fog like we saw last night, and it's going to be warmer tonight too. So all in all, a little bit of fog and the low clouds increase tonight. Temperatures are much warmer. We're mild. We only drop into the mid to upper 60s. In fact, lower 60s well inland and upper 60s right along the coast tonight. So it's going to be a little on the muggy side in the next couple of nights. For your Wednesday, we're looking at some fog in the morning, partly sunny, not as sunny tomorrow. We'll have more clouds around, and it is going to be windy and warm. Temperatures hitting 80 by 1 o'clock, and those winds are going to be gusty, as I mentioned, up to 35 miles an hour tomorrow as the temperatures climb well above average. In fact, reaching into the lower 80s, 82 Corpus Christi tomorrow, 76 Port Aransas, and Alice hitting 83 degrees. And that's going to be very similar for Thursday. Not only that, but the wind is going to be gusty, and not only tomorrow, but Thursday, the winds pick up again. So expect 2 more days of rather windy conditions, and then the winds start to shift back around. I'm still looking at that cold front coming in, and forecast models are starting to get a little closer on the timing on this. It looks like late afternoon Friday, the winds will shift to the north. Still rather breezy Friday, and then we have a cool breeze blowing Saturday, which dies down through the weekend. So let me show you this hour by hour here with Future Tracker, and we'll start with tomorrow. Again, more cloud cover tomorrow, those gusty southeast winds, and warm. But it's dry tomorrow. Now, as we get into Thursday, there's the potential we could have a stray coastal shower early in the day, but most areas stay dry the next couple of days, and it's warm and windy again Thursday. Friday, the cold front stays to the north by early afternoon, so that'll give us some time to warm up a little bit. But then in the evening, by late afternoon and early evening, the front drops in. It doesn't look like it's going to have much rain with it. The very scattered showers at best, and not a whole lot with that. So that's going to move through Friday night, and then by the time we get into the weekend, well, we're already drying out. Saturday looks sunny, but we'll have a cool north wind, and then we start warming up a little Sunday with some high clouds. Next front comes in later next Tuesday, and that'll cool us down just before Thanksgiving, but certainly not too much. None of these fronts have that Arctic air like that one last week. So you can see the potential rainfall, certainly not much with this. We're looking at most areas under 1/10 of an inch, possibly 2/10, with any showers that can form Friday with our next cold front, and then we have a pretty nice weekend ahead. Here is your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. Nice and warm the next couple of days. If you like the warm weather, enjoy it. If you like mild weather, just give it a couple days. By Friday night, you can see those temperatures drop back down to 50, and days this weekend, a little cooler Saturday in the upper 60s, a little warmer Sunday with more high clouds coming in, and then we continue warming into next Tuesday.